Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a lazy day hair tutorial. What does that mean? That means that I am not going to use any finishing styling products. So no hairspray, no Enjoy dry wax or pomade or anything. And then I am also not going to be using the Flatiron at all. So this is a super quick and easy do. I like to do this typically on a Saturday, or if there's another day in the week when I'm going to be home most of the day, this is typically what I will do. So if you want to see how to style your pixie cut in a way that remains soft and pliable and yet still has a little bit of lift and volume, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to take down my hair. This is that hair towel wrap that came in my BoxyLuxe box in December. It's been a very fun little thing to have. I'm going to just go ahead and comb through my hair. Now the two products that I am still going to put in when my hair is wet are Catwalk Reboost and my Moroccan Argan Oil. The Catwalk Reboost is going to give us a little bit of lift and a tiny bit of hold once our hair is dry. So I am just going through the back here, and then I'm also going to put a couple spritzes right here into the roots in this front section, and again there, and maybe there. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit here on my hands, and I'm going to kind of run this through the bottom section of my hair. Then I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to do 2 pumps of the Moroccan Argan Oil. This is going to make sure that our hair looks nice and shiny and healthy. It protects it as we blow dry it. So work that all the way through. And now, as we get into blow drying, you are going to see me use a tool you've never seen me use before on my short hair, and that is a round brush. I have had this brush for probably 12 or more years, since when I had longer hair, but I believe this is about 1.5 inch barrel, and you're going to see me use this in 2 places, right here along the part, and then right here where my hair is super flat. So watch for that, and let's go ahead and get started blow drying. Go. Hair is all dry. It's very soft, but there's just that smidgen of hold in there from the Catwalk Reboost. So I popped in some earrings, and now I'm going to give you the final look here. So we've got good lift and volume. It's still really soft and pliable, but by blow drying the bangs up off the forehead, the bangs are going to stay out of the eyes. And for the most part, I kept the flyaways to a minimum here. If you have some flyaways, when you get done blow drying, you could just take a tiny little bit of some water and kind of flatten those down. So hopefully that was helpful for you and just kind of fun to see what this style looks like without any finishing products in it. So to me, this is a good start in case like later on in the day, if I were to get a call or somebody wants to go to dinner, I could quickly just throw in some Enjoy Dry Wax and hairspray and be good to go. Also the following day, typically I won't have to wash my hair that day. I might need to wet down a few spots, but pull out my flat iron, throw in my finishing products, and it's an even quicker styling day that day. So hopefully this was also helpful in just showing you kind of how to use a round brush like this if your hair is long enough. I know they make these in smaller sizes as well, but you don't want to go too small because then it looks like you kind of put in little curls, and I think that throws off the style of a pixie. So use a slightly bigger brush than you might think you need. But as you saw me, you don't have to do this professionally like your hairstylist does, put this in your hair and use the blow dryer. You can set down your blow dryer, put this in your hair, then go back in with your blow dryer and set that volume and curls. So hopefully that was fun for you just to see me do something different. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that button below and I'll see you next time. Bye.